Today I'm going to be depotting with the Zpotter from Zpalette. I'm going to be using this full exposure from Smashbox eyeshadow palette. I'm testing it to see if it's magnetized so I can place it right on top of the Zpotter. Usually if it's not magnetized, then you would have to put a palette that comes with the Zpotter so it's easier to depot. So I'm just placing it on top. That circle that it has, that's where it's heating up from. So I'm gonna start with the middle of the palette. I'm gonna be using a spatula that has a bent tip. I felt that this is the easiest way. So I have a paper towel, a spatula, I have alcohol to clean the palettes out, and that's pretty much all you'll need. And then an empty palette to put all your eyeshadows in. So I usually start with the ones that are right in the middle since they are right in the center. And you just want to test it, see if it comes out. It should come out fairly easy. Usually I start with the corner and it pops out really easy. As you can see, I'm just placing it on the paper towel. It is sticky. Not only is it sticky, but it's also hot, or sometimes it's warm, depending on how thick the eyeshadow palette is. So you want to be careful. I will say that, of course, it's kind of nerve-wracking because these are eyeshadows, and if you kind of place the spatula a wrong way or you touch it a wrong way, it can break the eyeshadow. I will say that the Zpotter does make it easy for it to just peel out of the eyeshadow palette. So I'm placing it on the paper towel face down since I don't want it to stick to the paper towel. And then I'll just keep popping up the rest of the ones, keep trying to see if it's coming out easy. And it should, but if you feel like it's not, then just move it more towards the center and it will warm up and make it easier for you to peel it off. Honestly, in real time, this took about 20 minutes. I wanted to make sure that it warmed up where I was taking the eyeshadows from, because I didn't want my eyeshadows to crack. So honestly, just take your time with it. You don't want to rush this process, especially because these eyeshadows aren't cheap, so you don't want to break them. I know that you can fix them, but it's just not the same. So have a glass of wine and play some good music. So I use alcohol, or I'll use a product called Goo Gone that takes away sticky residue. So I usually place it on a paper towel, or I'll place it on a cotton swab. So as you can see, there's a lot of residue from the glue that, makes the eyeshadow stick to the palette. So you actually do want to be able to take all of that off, because if not, once you put it on your palette, it's going to make the palette sticky. So you don't want that, because if you want to arrange them in different color tones or sizes, so we don't want that. So the cool thing about all of this is that it's really just warming up the eyeshadows. It doesn't warm up the palette, so you can touch it. You're not gonna burn yourself. The only thing that it's actually like warming up is the eyeshadow pans. I honestly used to depot my eyeshadows before with a hair straightener, and I vowed never to do that again because I broke so many eyeshadows And it was heartbreaking because they're expensive, and you know, I know that you can fix them, but it's just not the same. I know this process could be very tedious, but what I did was I would move the eyeshadow palette around, make sure that it was in the center, and then whenever those were heating up, I would clean the back of the other ones. So here we are, done. I took all of them out. This eyeshadow palette, it's nice, it's just too bulky, it takes up a lot of space, and honestly, the fact that I couldn't see the colors, as a makeup artist, I want to see everything that I have so I can gravitate towards things that I know are gonna work. So once I'm done cleaning them, I turn them all around, I disinfect them, and then I'm gonna start putting them in the eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna be using the Zpalette Medium Deep. This makes it so easy. Look how many fit in this palette alone. I can honestly depot another palette and they will all fit in here. It's really just about condensing my kit, carrying everything, and being able to see everything that I have. Honestly, I feel like the Zpotter is really a genius idea. I hope this helped you guys out and that it makes your life a little easier like it's making mine. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.